A few hundred high school students got an inside look at careers in public service. Now, this was an opportunity that many students say it's going to help them decide what field to get into now. KUSI's Elizabeth Alvarez has our details.
About 300 high school students arrived on buses to the San Diego Continuing Education Complex for the 4th annual Career in Public Service event. The event hadn't even started, and already Dylan Justice, or DJ as he likes to go by, was excited as he looked through his swag bag.
Looks like there's a water bottle and also probably a journal so we can write down all the cool information that they're going to be giving us, and a pen and Rice Krispie treats.
Score!
Awesome. I'm looking forward to see all the different careers that they have there and what they actually do, because I'm not sure what I want to do after high school, so this will be a pretty cool taste of what the work field is like.
The morning started off with a big welcome in the auditorium. Then the students were off to various workshops. They also stopped by the different expo-style booths where they got to speak one-on-one with representatives from a variety of public service careers.
I speak all over the city, and I tell people, I guarantee you $100 to a pack of cookies that you have never met an African-American female firefighter that works for the city of San Diego. Early access is super important, and a lot of times we don't know what we don't see. And so this is an opportunity for us to bring almost 40 different agencies to the educational cultural complex to expose the students to a wide variety of careers.
What I found interesting was I like the Humane Society a lot, and the healthcare services that they had, like the ICE. That was interesting.
We have definitely students that are interested in the careers that are here, everything from the law enforcement areas to fire department, EMT, military areas. So today is a great opportunity for them to come and meet people that are in the careers and find out more about what that career is actually going to be like if they follow through with going on those career paths.
In San Diego, Elizabeth Alvarez, KUSI News.